Hello, today's lesson is all about numbers in English, and we'll be learning them step by step. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand and use numbers in everyday situations. Numbers are essential in many aspects of life, like telling the time, counting, and understanding prices. This lesson is perfect for beginners at the A1 level, so let's get started with learning numbers from 1 to 100, how to ask and tell the time, the days of the week, and how to express years. Numbers are one of the first things you need to master when learning a new language because they're everywhere. We use numbers when talking about age, time, money, and dates. Let's start with the basics, and then we'll move on to more complex concepts like time and dates. First, let's focus on the numbers from 1 to 20. These are numbers you will hear and use a lot in daily conversations. Here they are: 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 20, 20. Take a moment to repeat each of these numbers out loud, paying close attention to how they sound. For example, 3 sounds like 3, and 8 sounds like eat. Practice these pronunciations to get used to how the words feel when you say them. Now that you've practiced the first 20 numbers, we can move on to higher numbers. From 21 to 100, the structure of numbers becomes very regular. You just need to know the multiples of 10 and then add the numbers you already know. For example, 21 is 21, 22 is 22, 30 is 30, 40 is 40, 50 is 50, 60 is 60, 70 is 70, 80 is 80, 90 is 90, 100 is 100. When you are counting numbers like 21, 32, 43, etc., just add the smaller number 1, 2, 3, etc. to the multiple of 10. For example, 23, 23, 45, 45, or 78, 78. Knowing how to say the time is another important skill when learning numbers in English. If you want to ask what time it is, you say, "What time is it?" The response usually includes o'clock for full hours. For example, "It's 5 o'clock." It is exactly 5 hours. When you need to talk about minutes, here are some key phrases to use. It's 2:30. It's 5:15. 5:15. It's 10 to 7. It's 20 past 8. 8:20. You also need to know how to differentiate between AM and PM, afternoon and evening. For example, 8 a.m. means 8 in the morning, and 3 p.m. means 3 in the afternoon. Days of the week. Let's also learn the days of the week, because you will need these when you talk about time. The days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. For example, you can say, "Today is Monday." Or if you want to ask what day it is, you can say, "What day is it today?" Talking about years. When talking about years in English, it's important to break them into parts. Here are some examples. 1990 is 1990. 2023 is 2023. 1885 is 1885. For example, I was born in 1995. The company was founded in 2000. This building is from 1887. This way of saying the years is used all the time, so it's essential to practice. Practice with questions and answers. Let's practice what we've learned so far. Try answering these questions in English. What time is it? Example answer, "It's 7 o'clock. What day is today?" Example answer, "Today is Monday." When were you born? Example answer, "I was born in 1994. Practical exercises. Now it's time to practice on your own. Try these exercises to solidify what you've learned. Write the numbers from 1 to 20 in English. How do you say 10 to 9 in English? Ask someone the time in English. Write the year 2021 in English. Write all the days of the week in English. Today, we covered a lot of essential material, including numbers from 1 to 100, how to tell the time, the days of the week, and how to say years in English. These are all basic skills that will help you in your daily conversations. Make sure to practice regularly and use what you've learned in real-life situations. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will feel using English. Keep practicing and soon you'll be very confident with numbers and time in English.